Hey guys, this is That's Toys and Things, and a couple of months ago I reviewed this particular grill, and for the most part it does serve its purpose. Now at first, I did like this. I did like the fact that this grill has two separate parts. So this particular part, as you can see, is solid, and this part where you can put all the meat, so it drips, all the fat and things like that drips down the bottom and does not stay with the food. But at a certain point in time, there's not enough grilling surface, especially if you're doing meat and things like that. It's not enough. It's not enough. And I did find that I needed more. I need a bigger surface to grill. And so I found this. Now this one doesn't have a solid surface like the other one. As you can see, all the surface have are perforated. There's holes in them. Now this is the Gotham Steel, non-stick titanium copper, stronger than ever, and this is a grilling surface of 16 inch by 14 inch. It says it's easy to clean. I don't know about that, but we'll try it. And this is also electric. What else? Well, let's see what this thing has. Okay, so basic parts. You get the base. It's made of plastic, so that's good because I know that I can put it in my plastic table because this plastic's not gonna melt it. And it's got the power cord where you have the control, and you can see on, warm, low, medium and high, and then off. And then after that is this. It's not deep enough, so this is the big tray. Let me just adjust this so you can see better. There you go. There you go. Yeah, it's not deep enough, so you can put water in it, but not too much. Don't put too much water, because with these things, the thing is, if you don't put water here, there's still gonna be a lot of smoke. And here's the grill. So the handle is built into the grill itself, and right at the bottom there's the heating element. As you can see, it's fused into the grill itself. And we're gonna preheat it. You know what, I'm gonna wash it first and then I'll come back. And there we go, quick wash. Put it in. And yeah, that's about it. All you have to do is drop it in there. Doesn't have a lock or anything, so it does move. Oh, should be okay. So there's some notches in here, so you gotta line them up so it doesn't move, and it's not easy to line up. Well, that's supposed to line it up, so that's the thing. See, this thing just sits right there, but while it's sitting there you can actually move it like that. And then at the bottom there's no rubber pad or anything, so it's gonna be very slippery. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but we'll see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this underneath just to make sure that I don't burn my table. And there you go. Now it's a little bit more stable, so it doesn't slide like that. And here's the power cord. Let's open this thing up. And I got it plugged in. Now here's the control. It's on right now, and I'm gonna put it to high. And while it's preheating, let me show you the difference between the other. See that? Now this thing is wider, but this thing is deeper, you know. See that? So that's the difference. There you go. And I can already feel the heat. Well, it's electric, so yeah. And let's see. Okay, so I'm already at 120, where the heating element is. 131, fluctuating. 121, and that's on a high. So I'm gonna preheat this, and then we're gonna grill. But before I do that, before I forget, I'm gonna pour some water, and this is gonna sizzle. Oh no, it didn't. But you can see it's new. Look at the water beating. Okay, you can't put too much water in it because it's not very deep, but that should do it for now. Okay, so in about a minute, it's already at 158 degrees Celsius, 160, and let's grab the meat. All right, it's been a few minutes, and then 218. Oh, that's 325. Look at that. And now here, 311. Should be enough. Should be enough. So I'm gonna switch it to medium. Okay. So when this thing reaches the temperature that you set it, the light actually turns off. So you'll know that it's not running continuously. So we're gonna do this. And listen to that sizzling. There's none. Isn't it hot enough? But well, you can still see the smoke. And I think I made this thing too thick. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to get it cooked here. Oh, there it is. There's the sizzling. Yeah, I think this is too thick. But we'll see. Now keep in mind that in the packaging itself, it says smokeless, not smoke-free. So don't expect this to be totally smoke-free. You're still gonna have some smoke, as you can see. Look at that smoke. Now that's the only thing where this one is a little bit better, because it has a pan inside, so the smoke, it's able to draw right down at the bottom and somehow mix it with water. I don't know if that's the right term, but this one has less smoke than this. But then again, I can't do this in that because the grilling surface where you have the holes is much smaller. So pick your portion. And this is supposed to be non-stick, but look at that. Later on I'm gonna clean it, see how non-stick this thing is, and Yeah, so gotta stop myself from turning it. Let's wait a bit more. Now this is supposed to be on high, but as you can see, this thing is already crusting, burning, right? And well, it's not perfect, but you can see a little bit of a sear right there. See if I can get some medium rare here. Now let's see this so-called non-stick. I have here some clean tissue, and just gonna do this a little bit. Oh, well, it is still non-stick. Look at that. I can get rid of that by simply wiping it off. Oh yeah, it is non-stick. How long? I don't know. So less than 10 minutes. It's enough to make this well done. So I'm gonna pull this out. Now I think the wife added something in this meat. That's why it readily burned. Not really burned, but just leaving all of this. But the good thing is, as you can see, it's really easy to get rid of. There you go. I can just do this. I don't even have to put a lot of pressure. Just glide them over the surface. And yeah, because normally when I season this thing, I just use salt, pepper, and yeah, most of the time salt and pepper. And she did put something in here, so should be good enough. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little bit of scrubbing. There you go. I got a few more there. I don't want to cook, but I don't want to mix it up with all of this burn. Now you can see it's a little bit of a work, but they are coming off. They are coming off, and yeah, look at that. You can just drop them inside. Okay, a little bit of scrubbing, and we're ready for the next one. This is for this one. I just have my regular salt and pepper. There you go, and I'm gonna leave it on 2 minutes each side, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, it's about 2 minutes, and let's see. That's not bad at all. And we'll turn it over, and look at that. Look at that sear. So put it in, another 2 minutes. I'm just aiming for medium rare. Now guys, as a reminder, I don't think these things are ever designed to cook something like this here. Even if you could do it, it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be comparable to a barbecue or especially a charcoal. This is something when you don't want to get the big guy out and then start messing with it. This is something when you're just sitting around relaxing while trying to figure out what to do with the rest of the afternoon. And this is not the proper way to do it, but what the heck, you know. You're cooking it in a indoor grill, so it is what it is. And another 2 minutes have passed. I'm gonna flip it over one last time. It's a little bit thicker than usual, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to cook. But you know, this is beef, this is steak, so a part of it is already cooked. And you can eat it, like this part, right here. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. I'm the cook, so I can eat anytime I want. So, this is almost rare. Not rare, but it's not medium rare, but I'm gonna try it. Mm. Melts in your mouth. And it is almost done. Well, again, guys, small grill, small pieces of food. This is not meant to be cooked here. You're not gonna get the satisfaction of having the best uh, texture or a juicy steak, things like that. But look, it's not bad at all. It's not that bad. You can see the juices flowing out now. So it will do. It will do. And once again, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to click that like, share, subscribe. And click that notification bell so you'll know when a new video is out. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.